Good evening. Really speaking, I am from a HR professional working for IRL India Limited. It's a DE, coming under DE, Department of Atomic Energy. I am for the HR profession for the last 20 plus years in different industries. So looking forward, I have a huge expectation on this kind of activities or programs. Initially, I have done such a program with the other team, which is Sri Chitranjan ji. Later, it was spontaneously inspiring me for this kind of truly doing under some kind of real professionals. Especially, I just come across few presentations done by Lada madam by TV, and later on going through that depthly, I just contacted that office, and later in the same spirit I understood the theme and the way of the pattern of classes and the professionalism involved in there. Really speaking, coming over here for the last 6 days, I was transformed, I should say. Nerves speaks. The words total life transformation. It's not particularly about any particular any particular angle or particular role. As a HR professional like me, as a human, there are a lot of areas to be changed. So we are taught much in depth about the mind aspects. It not only is connected to a HR professional also. That's what I take up this matter to my business oriented organization level, in different other levels, in my different meetings, and I take my intention is to be a NLP practitioner also in the future, and also trainer too. So when we say that total transformation, we see that NLP practitioner in the one angle and the other is total transformation. It's really speaking, apart from that NLP practitioner course, we learned much enough things, how a human being in his family, starting from his family, personally as a personal to him, the family, then the society, and in his career or his professional lives. So this is called, this is what I understand, the total transformation as a human being I understood. So what is spelled out or what is displayed, it's been, I got it. That's what I was totally transformed. So I have now got a confidence and courage to take this thing to spread over to my society or to my own professional career. So I'm more confident. So being here, I'll be first thankful to God for giving me an opportunity. If it had not been done in this stage, I think it's a very great loss to me. I hope so. And in this women, I first should be very thankful to to giving him an opportunity, Lada madam. Then, in fact, the mode of madam's presentation, the simplified the approach, the tools which she handled, and the way in which she is delivering is amazing. And it's a blessing for me to be with her also, in associating with her in this team. Second, saying about RB, Mr. Ramachandra Baldegan, it's really speaking that's the professionalism. He maintained the professionalism. He take up it's inspiring thing. I have limitations in words actually in the other way, but the real way of taking the things, the other one side of NLP and the other side of the career or professional human transforming, it matters actually. So we learn lot of things, dual or triple things in this particular forum, so that he is the person who lead the show. He done it in his perfection, and understanding more about him. He is a business trainer. He's a corporate trainer, and in lot of fields he has revamped a lot of people. So I think in short of it's not required. It's very limited period. It shows within the 6 days of period. I have if I have gained this much means if I am associated with them for another 10 plus days or more than 15 days. We have curiosity I had curiosity for asking for more classes and in more sessions in the coming future. So that was inspiring me. So 100% sure that I will take across my profession and career and my organization too, and I plan for a higher courses in MNLP and associate was transforming also, and take this opportunity to thank the team and my dear colleagues to have attended these things also. And in fact, I want to add one more thing. Actually, the infrastructure and the hospitality or the training, the other areas which are given, for example, audiovisual or things, or the food and other parameters, refreshments, which are highly five-star oriented. So I never expected such a kind of team can do this, because that is the in spirit of the. I think I should salute Madam and RB sir for this, saying that the real essence of taking if we have all the parameters coming joined together only, then the spirit, we totality we have that spirit to go ahead. Otherwise something is lacking or something is not been. So it is we say thank to them, because they one to one they connected, actually one to one, wherever there is something is missing, they didn't miss to, okay, is this person is connected, is this person is clear, is this person is clear. That is the ambition. So most of the training, even though we have handful of people, but that spirit and the way of approach was really thankful, and really we are blessed to. And I take this opportunity to thank them, the entire team once more, and thanks for giving this opportunity. Thank you and all.
Thank you.